Hi everyone. So I'm back again after a very long time. My name is Prerak Sharma and I'm pursuing my MBA in Data Science and AI, first year at IIT Mandi. So I don't know after how long, but I'm making a long video finally. I used to upload 1 minute video on my YouTube shorts to improve my communication skills. That was the whole point of starting this YouTube journey after coming to IIT Mandi. And it has almost been 1 year since I started this channel. Earlier at this time, I was back in my home preparing for that, trying to level up my mind by solving Sudokus, reading books, solving the decision making section of the ZAT exam. I believe that time, the preparation phase of me preparing for ZAT was the turning point for me. Decision making opened my mind to look at real life scenarios in a way that matters in the society, in the corporate. Concepts like precedence, what actions you take, how people perceive them, what decisions should be made, how decisions should be made, what is group accountability. And then moving on to my interviews. In January, February, I was preparing for my interviews. I was back then doing a course. I got to interact with people, a really diverse group of people. I learned a lot there, 2-3 months there, and eventually I started my consistency challenge. Social media for 100 days straight. I posted on Twitter, on YouTube. I went to the gym. It has really been an exciting and interesting journey. 2024, this year, man, there was not a single day where I missed doing something. Every month has been productive, and that is how I am moving forward to 2025 with new learnings, more experience, more clarity in my mind. I now know things, the critical root and the logic behind success. The thing that is remaining is implementation. That I'm doing on the sidelines, but implementation at scale. But that will only happen when my learning is really compound. If my learning, the base is strong, the foundation is strong, there is whole world out there for me to achieve. And one day I will obviously be in a better place than this, with my two best friends. For the people who see my videos, discipline and consistency, these two people will take you anywhere. Whatever dream that you have, you will achieve it. Earlier or later, that doesn't matter. It's a matter of time. You will achieve it. But these two things, I just found that my medal is visible. So after coming to IIT Mandi, me and my team, we won this gold medal. We pitched our idea in Disrupt, that is an event by Utkarsh at IIT Mandi. So that was the first achievement that I got here. It was fun getting a gold in IIT and learning from teachers, doing projects with professors, learning from my whole class, doing Python tech for the first time in my life, marketing, operations, stats, business. This semester was really fun, man. Actually, the efforts which I put during my bachelor's in business administration, those efforts are being more profound. The knowledge that I had, it is being polished while I'm actually learning those things again, repolishing them, and also learning new things. So this MBA is a win-win for me. First semester over, met many people, so many interactions, so many talks with professors, heard criticism, constructive criticism, kept my peace, confronted whenever there was a need, kept my mind as it is, never shouted on anyone. Obviously, there's no need to shout at anyone. I was able to control my anger, my fear. Bhagavad Gita, the course taught by my professor Akhaya sir. Now he's in IIM Indore, getting to meet people from IIMs, Genpact, people coming from outside, Morgan Stanley, Maruti, and people coming from Force Motors, from Dentsu. It was actually fun, man. Grant Thornton. I really like this. You only get to have these opportunities in an IIT. Nowhere else you can have these many opportunities with you. Plus, you also have to be vocal about it. Nobody is going to serve you at your plate. If you want something, you have to go out there and take it for yourselves. If not take, you have to grab it for yourselves. Identification, recognition, action, these things people talk easily, but when it's the time to do it, it gets hard. And that is the time when your skills and actually you and your mindset is being challenged. That is your war zone. You have to perform at that time. Doesn't matter how many mocks you played, doesn't matter how many practice matches you had. What matters is that moment in which you did something. Whatever you learned, it's okay, but what you did is what matters. I had my exams over, I gave my PPT. Topic was also nice: curiosity, creativity, and originality. Read many research papers. Yeah, also my inclination moving towards research is also a new thing that I developed. I like reading. Academics is my kind of stuff. HST was an event, man, that also was really great. But so many people from out there. Also met the winner. I didn't realize he was from IIT Kanpur and he could be the professor at IIT Mandi. Yet I made connection with him. Normal friends. Vishwamitra, the other people. I'm sorry if I'm forgetting your names and you're watching, guys. Please forgive me for that, but I remember you all. That night was totally fun. HST was fun. I got to meet many big people. The MIT guy, Chintan Vaishnav, Dr. Chintan Vaishnav. What an amazing personality. I didn't realize who he was, thanks to my professor who helped me get through all those connections. Catalyst, knowing people from Catalyst. Ayush Bhaiya, PhD guys here. Knowing about time management, Mallikarjun sir. Many other people, man. I don't know how many people I should mention. But one thing is for sure, learning only happens when you interact with people. Learning happens when you actually read something. Whatever you are excited about, take a book, a research paper, open websites, start learning it. Nobody else is going to give it to you. You actually have to read through things. You have to read through people. And then you come to a stage when this becomes autonomous. Automatically it happens. I also got the opportunity to be at the podium for an event, HR event that happened exclusively for MBA students at IIT Mandi. That was also an experience of its own. Being there, hosting the guests, nice experience. Man, this MBA is totally worth it. Data science and AI. Getting to know the visual power behind linear algebra. I've studied maths. I've done stats for so many years in 12th, in undergrad, on my own. But here I came to realize the power of visualization. What critical thinking actually is. Separate videos have to be made by me. Nobody else can do it. My understanding with my type of framing it should be out there, and I will create this. What actually critical thinking is. What creativity is. There is a very thin boundary in between all these things that I have to understand. Only if I understand, then I'll be able to teach people. Getting to realize whom to talk to, whom not to talk to, how to talk, when to talk, when not to talk, when to raise your voice, when not to raise your voice. All these factors, nobody else is going to teach you. You have to learn on your own. This is what an MBA takes. This is what I have, what I'm learning, what I'll be learning in my future also. Time waits for none. Reading books, man. Please read books. Whoever you are watching this video, if you have reached till here, you at least have some respect for my words or whatever I'm speaking. So please listen to this advice. Start reading books. Develop interest in 2 or 3 topics. Go deep into that. Doesn't matter. Let's say if you study math right now. Doesn't matter if you are going to start it from addition again. Your basic should be really clear. Only from that foundation, the whole building will be made. Only on that foundation, your whole life will stand. So make that foundation really strong. Whatever you are doing, you should be able to visualize it. If you can't visualize, you didn't learn. Learn it again. Getting a skill, getting to learn a tool, use a tool, that is an easy thing, man. You have to learn the implementation part of it. Coding you're doing. Why are you coding, man? A person actually made this language. A person made a laptop. How was he able to do that? A computer machine. That without that machine, our lives are incomplete. We can't live without it. The whole economy is taken deep into tech now. Every banking sector has tech infrastructure. Look around, man. So much development has happened just because of this mind, just because of our curiosity, eagerness to know the unknown, filling the knowledge gap that we have, critically thinking about how to solve problems. Just a simple problem, how this was made, how this bottle was made. There is a whole science behind this. Nobody else will teach you this. You have to learn it on your own. When you learn it, when you face challenges, then meet people. If you actually are facing a challenge, there are people out there who can help you. But you have to take the first step. Only you can start. Nobody else is going to do that for you. Being open to other people's ideas, compromising, staying silent. Everything has to be kept in mind. Right? So this is what I had to say. The first semester came to an end. I was about to change my clothes, but I thought this is the right time to make this video. I have a little more time, so I'll create separate videos. Now it is the time for me to add this word IIT Mandi everywhere. I used to refrain from adding it, but now that one semester is complete, I have adapted my intuition. Intuitive space has become that of an IITian. I'll add it to everywhere. A rebranding of my channel should be done. Specific videos, titles, thumbnails, live videos. I'll plan something out, and this model will start working. The whole purpose is to make learning open to all. I want everyone to start. That is the whole point of ShuruART. If you're seeing this right here, ShuruART. This is for you to start again. Here or here, I don't know. Could be here also. So just start. I know you have started and you have failed. Doesn't matter. Start again. Starting again is an art. That is ShuruART. I've had people who come to me and I'm not feeling at my best. What should I do? I help them. I help them start again. I have that trait in me to identify what the actual root problem is. That is not a big deal, guys. You just have to spend time with yourself. You have to read enough books. You have to critically ask yourself who you are. Why are you feeling this? Why are you doing what you are doing? What do you want to achieve? I have done that. I have done that for myself. I've done that for people. Then I am able to find that for myself also. Learn, man. Whatever books you want to read, learn self-help. But please, obviously, if you like reading self-help, that is nice. But pick up a skill, I'd say. Learn Python. Today's time is quants, tech, anything related to tech, master it. Data analysis, data visualization, AI, machine learning, neural networks, deep learning. Yeah, even Excel, man. You will try to learn Excel, social media skills, ads management, Facebook ads, Meta ads, LinkedIn profile management, Twitter ads, how to run a profile, social media optimization, marketing strategies, operation. Man, so much stuff out there. Harvard Business Review, read it. Then you'll reach to a stage where you will have value. And when you have value, you can ask what you need. You don't have to beg people to come to you. You can go to people and work for a problem that you want to solve and get paid for it. I am about to reach that stage. I'll reach that stage and then I'll preach this message again. Investment banking, consulting, my interests are towards them. Also, a bit of marketing that is required. That time will also come. I'll make that come. And I'll be here again talking to you. That is my job, to help you all. Being an example, leading at the front, and taking you all with me. Keep learning, guys. This is it for now. I'll meet again next day, tomorrow. I have time. Let's plan how these things will be. We'll keep on meeting now. Okay? This is Prerak Sharma, MBA, Data Science and AI, first year student at IIT Mandi. Thank you all. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.